Raspberry Pi fans. Choosing the right OS for your Pi can be tricky. Today we're comparing DietPi and Raspbian Lite to help you decide which is best for your project. Let's dive in. DietPi is an ultra lightweight Debian-based OS designed for a single board computers like the Pi. It's 3 times smaller than Raspbian Lite, starting at just 400 megabytes. DietPi focuses on minimal CPU and RAM usage with features like RAM-based login to reduce SD card wear. It includes a slick configuration tool and pre-optimized software packages for media servers, Pi-hole, and more, making it a setup breeze. Raspbian Lite, now called Raspbian Pi OS Lite, is the official OS for Raspbian Pi. It's a stripped-down version of Raspbian Pi OS based on Debian with no desktop environment, just a command line interface. It's lightweight, uses about 1.8 gigs of disk space, and comes with basic tools like SSH pre-installed. It's beginner-friendly, stable, and perfect for general-purpose projects, with full access to Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins and broad community support. So, how do they stack up? Raspbian Lite is for beginners with a familiar setup and official Pi support, ideal for learning or simple headless servers. Think 30% less RAM and tons of customization for specific tasks like home servers or IoT. If you're on a low-power Pi Zero or need maximum performance, DietPi is your pick. For general use or education, go with Raspbian Lite. That's the rundown, guys. Check out our chart for details and let us know your favorite in the comments. Subscribe for more Pi tips and happy tinkering.